time flying British Airways. Steve Jones, pretty similar timing really, to first aerobatics in 1978 in an old aging Cessna aerobatic. Aerobatics 20 years, flying with Tiger Sub for a while, and then bought his own joined the British team in 1994. He was perfectly steering the heart. Tumbling manoeuvre there. Giving you a little taste of the sort of thing Gerald Cooper does around the country. That is really stretched the performance of these US track aircraft. Big demonstration of the amount of power there hanging on the prop. Tail sliding back to his X-Spectre.
Oh, that's so cool.
I did think I did with 6.